Hey everyone! Welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about types of NLP. NLP includes several types and techniques that allow machines to understand, analyze, and generate human language. These types can be grouped based on the tasks they perform. Here are the main types of NLP. 1. Text classification, where computers assign categories or labels to text. It helps in sorting information into different groups. For example, it can separate emails into spam and non-spam, identify whether a message or review is positive, negative, or neutral, and find the main topic of an article. 2. Named entity recognition. NARE helps computers identify and label important information in a piece of text. It looks for specific entities such as names of people, places and locations, dates, and organizations, and marks them so they can be easily understood and analyzed. 3. Part of speech tagging. POS, where each word in a sentence is labeled with its grammatical role. This means the computer identifies whether a word is a noun, verb, adjective, adverb, or another part of speech. By doing this, the computer can better understand the structure and meaning of the sentence. 4. Machine translation. It allows computers to automatically translate text from one language to another. For example, it can convert sentences from English to Spanish or from Chinese to French. This helps people who speak different languages understand each other more easily. 5. Sentiment analysis. It helps computers understand the emotion or opinion expressed in a piece of text. It is often used to study product reviews and social media posts to find out whether people feel positive, negative, or neutral about something. 6. Speech recognition. It converts spoken language into written text. It is used in tools like voice assistants, which listen to our speech and respond, and transcription tools, which turn recorded speech into text for reading and documentation. 7. Text generation. Where computers create new, human-like text based on patterns they have learned from data. It is used in chatbots to give replies, in tools that generate stories or articles, and in systems that help draft emails automatically. 8. Topic modeling. It helps computers automatically find common themes or topics inside a large amount of text. Instead of reading everything one by one, the computer groups similar information together. For example, it can group customer feedback based on similar opinions or identify main themes in research papers. This makes it easier for people to understand big collections of text quickly. 9. Question answering systems. It allows computers to understand questions and provide accurate answers. These systems read the query, find the correct information, and respond in a meaningful way. We commonly see this in search engines and virtual assistants, where users ask a question and the system gives a helpful answer. 10. Summarization. It reduces long text into a shorter and meaningful version while keeping the main ideas and important information. It helps readers understand big content quickly without reading everything in detail. There are two main types of summarization. 1. Extractive summarization, where important sentences are picked directly from the text. 2. Abstractive summarization, where new sentences are generated to express the same meaning in a simpler way. 11. Coreference resolution. It helps computers understand when different words in a sentence refer to the same person or thing. For example, in the sentence, Sarah said she would help, the words Sarah and she refer to the same person. By identifying these connections, the computer can better understand the meaning of sentences and how ideas are related. 12. Conversational AI. It used to build systems that can talk with people in a natural and meaningful way, just like a real conversation. These systems understand context, remember what was said earlier, and respond appropriately. We commonly see conversational AI in chatbots and customer support AI, where computers help answer questions, solve problems, and assist users in real time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Leave a comment with your question. And do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.